welcome to the Scarberry Family channel, and I am Megan. I want to show you what I made for my mom and dad's vow renewal. I started a series of all things I'm making. Please watch everyone to see what we're making. This is what you would need. You would need tumbling blocks, one for the small one, two for the big one. You would need some rope from Dollar Tree. You would need a ruler from Dollar Tree too. And you would need some wood glue. I am using glitter glue. And parchment paper or wax paper for your surface to make sure nothing gets stuck. And that's what all you would need for your lanterns. And please keep watching to see how to make them. And thank you for watching.
This is the base of the lantern. You would glue it like this. And you would need 2 of these. This is what the bigger one will look like, and you would need to make 2 of them. For the smaller one, you would need glue 4 blocks together for the sides. You would need 4 of them. For the bigger one, you will do 6 and you will make 8 of them. Now you will take the base and you will put the 2 sides to the base like I'm showing right now. Now I'm gluing the top part to the 2 sides. Now you glue the other side of the lantern. And this is what the bigger one will look, the sides. You put 2 together and that's what it will look like. This is for the top of the lantern. You want 3 pieces side by side and you make 2 of these. Now you will make the top of the lantern. You will glue the bottom pieces. And then you will put 2 blocks in between to hold up the top part of it. And then you will glue the top together. And then you let this dry. After everything's dry, you would want to glue it on top like this. And try to center it as best as you can. Now after you stain your lantern, you can glue on your piece of rope for the handle of the lantern and you are finished.
watching our video today. It means so much to us. Me and Carol want to say please like and subscribe. That will mean so much to us. And also remember Jesus loved you. Have an amazing day.